Welcome to the Greenbeard vlog, special Valentine's Day edition. In typical man fashion, I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning to write a poem. Why? Because I forgot today was Valentine's Day. Before I get to my poem, I should explain what's happening in the background here. I have a few clips of myself touching up my mustache. This first one is me fresh off of a run, which is why my mustache looks so boogery here. Not boogers, it's wax. The wax turns white when it gets wet. Anyways, that's what's happening there in the bathroom. This poem was written in the verse of Roses Are Red. Trees deserve homes, lips demand sweaters, men are pigs, women deserve better? No. Women deserve love letters. Okay. Here we go again. Trees deserve homes, lips demand sweaters, men are pigs, all women deserve love letters. All women, especially my beautiful wife. From all of us bearded men to all of our loving partners who put up with our scratchy, smelling, disgusting mustaches and beards, we love you. Happy Valentine's Day. If you'd like to show that bearded man in your life some love, our beard combs will be available on Kickstarter in about 2 weeks, and they will arrive in plenty of time for Father's Day. I know it's a long ways off, but why not get your shopping done early? In other news, you'll notice that the lighting in these videos is much better than the first video that I posted earlier in the week, and that is because a good friend of mine recommended that I buy a ring light. You can see it in my eyes there. And so I went online and I typed in ring light, and what came up were all these pictures of Visco girls, and that is when I realized that I was about to buy a light that is made for teenage girls who stream makeup videos. If you don't know what a Visco girl is, you should go ahead and give it a look. And then whenever you watch my Greenbeard grooming videos, you can just picture me as a bearded and mustached Visco girl. I immediately regret saying that. So if you could just forget that I said that and not call me a mustached Visco girl, that would be super. Yeah. So I went ahead and bought the light. And now I am a grown-ass man who owns a makeup selfie light. And it's amazing. It's about time to wrap things up. Greenbeard Grooming will be planting 1 tree for every comb we sell. And if you don't have a beard, you could always share Greenbeard Grooming with a friend who does. Or you could always grow one, if it's an option anyways. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos.